a spaceship. Please don't be a spaceship. Oh, thank God. How could you be beeping? I just disconnected you. I took out your battery. Don't interrupt me. Okay, so this wire is connected to this wire, which plugs into here. Okay, so to get the beeping to stop, all I have to do... Well done, Phoebes. Okay. This is where you and I part ways. Noisy bitch.
Phoebe Buffay?
Fire alarm? Oh, hi, officer. Fireman. Can I help you?
We found your fire alarm in the trash chute.
That's not mine.
Yes, it is.
How do you know?
The next time you want to dump a fire alarm in the trash chute, don't wrap it in a blanket that says property of Phoebe Buffay, not Monica.
Okay, do you have a search warrant? Because the last time I checked, this was still America.
Please reattach this. It's against the law to disconnect them.
Fine, but please, God, tell me how to stop it from going off.
Just press the reset button under the plastic cover.
There's a reset button? Oh, thank you. Oh, there's a reset button? My God! Why didn't I see that? Reset button. Where's our reset button? Oh, here it is. Oh! Oh.